Okay, good day everyone. Next na pag-uusapan natin is your magnesium. Okay, your magnesium, the function of your magnesium is for what? Muscle contraction, cardiac conduction, balance potassium and calcium, relaxation of smooth muscle, energy production, and your BP regulation. Okay, now, ano ba ang normal serum magnesium? It's 1.7 to 2.2. Okay, it's 1.7 to 2.2. Okay, so that is your magnesium. Again, meron ba tayong sakit na mataas yan? Yes, ang tawag natin doon is your what? Hypermagnesemia. Okay? Pag mababa naman, it's your hypomagnesemia. Okay, so first, punta tayo saan? Sa may hypermagnesemia natin. Okay. Again, meron tayong mga modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors for this. Okay, modifiable natin dyan is your overuse ng antacid. Okay, usually ang magnesium kasi ginagamit siya as what? As antacid. Okay, and then high intake. Okay, high intake. Okay, high intake ng what? High intake ng magnesium. Okay, and then IV magnesium sulfate. Okay, usually, IV magnesium sulfate, binibigay yan, di ba, for pre-eclampsia and eclampsia. Okay, binibigay yan sa mga buntis natin, di ba? Lalo na kapag tumataas yung BP nila, di ba? So, binibigay yan. Pwede ba sila magkaroon ng hypermagnesemia? Yes, okay? Reduced renal function, okay? Hypothyroidism, adrenal insufficiency, and your lithium therapy, okay? So, pagdating naman sa non-modifiable natin, meron tayong age, okay? Lagi niyong tandaan, ang non-modifiable, hindi na yan pwedeng baguhin, okay? Age, elderly, bakit low na ang GFR nila? Again, ano ang GFR? It's your glomerular filtration rate. Okay, yung stage, yung CKD natin, chronic kidney disease, yung stage 4 and 5. Okay, permanent adrenal insufficiency and your irreversible hypothyroidism. Ngayon, dahil meron kang modifiable and non-modifiable, increased risk ba na magkaroon ka ng hypermagnesemia? Yes, okay? So, nag-i-increase na ngayon yung serum magnesium natin causing your hypermagnesemia. Dahil sa sobrang dami ng magnesium, it blocks the calcium channel, okay? Pag na-block yung calcium channel natin, okay, nagkakaroon ng neuromuscular depression and cardiovascular depression. Same din na nai-inhibit din yung acetylcholine, di ba? Again, blocks the calcium channel and inhibits the acetylcholine, causing your neuromuscular depression and your cardiovascular depression, okay? So, ano makikita mo dyan, okay? Decrease ang DTR. Ano yung DTR? Yung deep tendon reflex mo kapag masyadong mataas yung magnesium. Okay? So, DTR. Decrease ang, decrease ang deep tendon reflex. Ano pa? Decrease din ang RR ninyo. Magkakaroon ng depression sa may respiratory. Okay? So, that is your hypermagnesemia. Okay? Let's go to your hypomagnesemia. Meron din tayong modifiable and non-modifiable for that. Okay? Pag sa diet, low intake ng magnesium, chronic alcoholism, di ba? Chronic diarrhea and your chronic vomiting. Medications, diuretic, okay? Kasi naiihi yung mga electrolytes natin dyan, especially kung loop diuretic kasi yung loop diuretic natin, siya yung strongest diuretic natin, okay? Your aminoglycoside, this is your antibiotics, okay? Your streptomycins, yung mga mycin, amikacin, okay? Your PPI, your proton pump inhibitor, and your uncontrolled DM. Okay? And then yung complication niya na diabetic ketoacidosis. Okay? And then sa non-modifiable risk factors natin, again sa age, elderly, decrease na kasi yung renal reserves nila. Okay? And then permanent kidney disease and malabsorption syndrome. Ngayon, because of these modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors, nagdi-decrease yung serum magnesium natin. Okay? Pag nag-decrease ang serum magnesium, 'di ba? Ang tawag natin doon is yung hypomagnesemia. It increases neuromuscular excitability and cardiac irritability. So it can cause your hypocalcemia, your tetany, arrhythmia, seizure, and hypokalemia. Okay? So yun, tandaan mo, si magnesium, si calcium, okay, at saka si potassium, magkakaibigan. Okay? Magkakaibigan yan. So, pag Pag kunwari mataas si magnesium, baka mataas din si calcium, baka mataas din si potassium. Okay? So, ang kaaway nila si what? Sino? Si phosphorus or your phosphate. Okay? Laging mababa yan. Okay? Laging mababa yan. Okay? So, that is your hypermagnesemia and your hypomagnesemia.